this ministry is a very critical ministry, and the sector deals with people. So the ministry is people-oriented and people-centric. So I think the priority will always be people. Within the people community, there are many vulnerable groups. So I believe it is imperative that I focus on those that over some time would have been facing difficulties in key areas. The elderly, for example, to look at their pensions, to look at how they get their pension, to look at benefits, to look at programs where their life and their quality of life could be improved. Women. Women are the most valuable resource in any part of the world. And sometimes we speak of women, and the women are not given the forefront and the pivotal place that they deserve in any country. So what I would like to do is work with women, develop more women leaders, ensure that women understand the need to be educated, empowered, have the opportunity to work if they so wish, have the skills set so that they can utilize those skill sets to not only earn an income, but to develop themselves. And we want to ensure that there is a level playing field where women are concerned, because sometimes women feel a bit timid when it comes to taking the center stage and the platform. So I'm hoping that we can change this mindset and really, really make what we call gender equity, gender equality, what it ought to be. Because it's a term that has been used, but very often it is not practiced. So it is a push of mind to see that happen. As you realize, these are very big goals, these are overarching goals, but I think baby steps will lead to bigger steps. And the more and more that I involve the community, because I'm a big believer in community, involve the community, involve various agencies, people, stakeholders, because a big part of what we have to do is to be inclusive. And I do believe in this inclusivity, so we would want to have many people not only share their opinions and views, bring their skills to the table, and also we want them to believe in what we are trying to achieve, because once there's belief in what is being worked on, then the goal will be achieved faster. Children, an asset for our country, children's safety and security. There are agencies that are very much important for the welfare and the well-being of children. So I would like to see those agencies enriched, better served, more resourced, and so we can have things that we always want to see, more counseling available in places like schools. So it requires inter-collaboration between ministries, and also ensuring that in communities mental health is looked at, and all the departments that have to deal specifically with children, children's welfare, the family. The family is the building block of any community and any nation. We want to ensure that families are catered for, families' needs are looked at, and if you see where I'm leading to, I'm looking at the alleviation of poverty. So that is right up on the top of the list. The best way we can use programs, activities to engender persons so they do not feel as if they are voiceless, powerless, and more or less impoverished. So it's a big passion of mine, and there are many other areas. But I think we'll start with that. Look, we have to look at trafficking in persons, juvenile, and the list goes on and on. And two key agencies I really want to tackle, because I know they bother this Guyanese community. That is the NIS system and the pension system. So that involves the entire country. And I hope that as we go along, that people will feel free. I am saying right here, I am going to be accessible, approachable, just to knock on the door and you come in and let me know what's bothering you. So that's where I want to take it. And I also want to thank the Guyanese people for making it through a very difficult period, for coming through it. And I wish that we can always have the kind of harmony that we're known for in Guyana, and we can move forward, as our motto says, as one people, working in the interest of our country for its progress, and do so because we want better for Guyana. We want to put Guyana first, and that's my wish. I want to thank the People's Progressive Party Civic for reposing their confidence in me, and also thank the Guyanese people who have encouraged and supported us to this point in time. I will not let them down, and whatever is done in this ministry will be done in a transparent and accountable manner that they can count on.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
Just one quick question. In terms of the social programs that were laid out by your party during the campaign,
Yes.
how soon do you plan to get
Well, I think for all of the ministers, we have been in opposition. So it's now getting on the inside and seeing what is there and what resources are there and what we need to improve, enhance, so that we can make our vision a reality. Because we're still somewhat new, so it is to look at every critical area, human resource, finances, and what is already in place and how quickly we can get those going. But I'm one of those people that hit the ground running, so as soon as possible, ASAP.